following is an ESG360 video.
I'm here today with Colm Keegan, Senior Analyst for Cloud Computing at ESG. Welcome, Colm.
Thanks, John. Thanks for having me.
So, Colm, you mentioned hybrid cloud models earlier, and certainly converged and hyper-converged solutions are a big part of enabling that hybrid cloud vision. What do you see in the future for hybrid cloud models over the next 12 months?
What I think we're going to see is that there is going to be more investment into technologies that enable hybrid cloud, specifically improving the ability of businesses to consume public cloud services. And the reason I say that is, as you know, we're finishing up our 2016 IT Spending Intentions Survey, and for the first time since we've been doing this survey, the cloud is now numero uno, right, in terms of what organizations their tactics are for reducing or containing IT costs is to use public cloud services. And it kind of makes sense. The other thing I think we often talk about is 62% of budgets tend to go towards just keeping the lights on.
That's right.
Same old,
maintenance, support,
right?
Yep.
And it's kind of tough to sort of fund new business innovation if 62% of your budget is just going towards present mode of operations, right? So if you can leverage the cloud to reduce some of those costs. So for example, let's say instead of hosting your own development and test bed on premise, you hosted it in the cloud. And that's a perfect example where you can build these environments up, tear them down, basically pay by the drink, kind of a rental sort of model or rental lease, however you want to look at it, versus, I have to lay out the money, I have to have operational people managing it, I've got to do all sorts of things for the care and feeding of that environment. Other use cases for hybrid cloud, backup and archiving, right? So Jason Buffington covers that pretty extensively, right? I mean, the costs of cloud storage continue to drop. And again, if you can find ways to attach into these environments seamlessly from your existing on-premise environment and segment data that you don't have to store yourself. So let's say, for example, it doesn't fall under regulatory compliance or some sort of corporate data governance, but maybe it's images or something that you want to retain for maybe some business intelligence or big data project. And boy, it's a lot less expensive putting it on some low-cost Glacier archive or object storage archive sitting off in the public cloud. Great use case and one thing that a lot of businesses want to take advantage of.
Sure. So the days of 100% on-premises infrastructure are long gone. The days of 100% in the cloud really never arrived or not yet. Right. So that leaves us with a big sweet spot of hybrid cloud.
Correct.
Well, great stuff, Colm. Thanks for sharing some of your predictions for the coming year. To read Colm's research or his blog, you can visit esgglobal.com.